Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on Qlikview. The objective of this particular exercise is how to change the chart style in case of Qlikview. So this is basically a line chart I have created over here, basic line chart. On the x-axis, that is dimension axis, you can find out over here the different states, Ohio, Texas, and Washington. Whereas on the y-axis, that is the expression axis, we can find out over here sum of office sales. And these are the values on the data points for Ohio state, Texas, and Washington states. So I have loaded the data. I will show you the database first. I will click on the edit script window. So this is basically the office city sales data from the table name as office city sales. Okay. Now we can change the chart style. This is basically a line chart. I'll right click, go to the properties, and click on the general tab. Over here, this particular chart is being highlighted. So it means that I have selected the line chart. Then we have to change the chart style. Go to the style tab. So the basic look is being selected, so we can change it. So we can change it to this particular manner, and we can also select the colors which you want, light gradient, any other colors which you want, and we can make it attractive. If I click on apply, okay, so the chart style is being changed. It is basically having a 3D type of look. I'll right click, go to the properties and go to the style. Then I can click on this particular type. I can click on the light gradient color. I'll click on apply. Okay. So this is basically a field chart. It is also known as an area chart. Right. So I hope you have understood how to change the chart style in